Hi, Mrs. Johnson here. We're going to be talking about the problem-solving process that you're going to use in our computer science class this semester. Having a strategy for approaching the problems that you're going to see can help you develop some new insights and maybe come up with some better solutions. The process is generally useful for solving all kinds of problems, so it could be useful in other parts of your life too. With such a wide variety of problems and strategies, it's important to be able to think critically about how best to use the problem-solving process. So let's take a look at steps. You're going to be seeing this a lot this semester. We've got the define, prepare, try, and reflect. Let's go a little bit more into some detail on that though. So when you define your problems, you're going to talk about, say, what problem you're trying to solve. You're going to think about the constraints you have for your problem, and also what does success look like if you solve your problem. So the next step is prepare. You're going to think about what you're going to do to solve your problem. You're going to brainstorm some ideas and research possible solutions, maybe compare the pros and the cons. And then after that is the try step, is where you put your plan into action. And then the next step is the reflection. So after you tried out your ideas, how did it go? How do your results compare to the goals that you set while defining the problem? And then also, what can you learn from that? Or what can you do better next time? So that's basically, in a nutshell, what our process looks like, but I want you to think also about the arrows. So these arrows go around and around and around, and you might get to the try step and then decide, we were not prepared enough. We have to go back to the prepare step, think of some other ideas, and then try them out again before we make a reflection. Or maybe you decided somewhere along here that you didn't quite define your problem well enough. You might have to go all the way back up to the define and think of a better way to define your problem so you can solve it better. So, any questions, let me know.